guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to our fam. I am back with another Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm gonna do things a little bit differently this time. Usually I just kind of open the box, tell you what I think of it initially, and that's it. Well, today I am going to try a bunch of the stuff on my face as I talk about it. Now, I did cheat just like this much. Basically, I had my husband Tim go through the box first and tell me, so there's this type of product in it and this type of product. So that way I knew that I could come on camera with, certain things on. Today, I have on eyebrows and foundation because I know that neither of those things are in my Boxycharm, and I'm going to apply the rest, and I have other makeup as well. This is kind of a get ready with me as I'm about to go out tonight, so let's get right into it. Okay, when you open the box, you get the postcard, and it is Galaxy Glow. So I'm hoping that there are certain things in here that are just, first of all, if it says glow, there better be a highlighter in here. Second of all, Galaxy makes me think of purples, greens, blues, those kind of, darker colors. So let's see what's in here. The first thing I see is a brush kit, and it's by Crown Brush. I really do like Crown Brush's stuff, and I believe they are cruelty-free. I will put a note on the screen here. I hope they're cruelty-free. So we have 3 brushes here, and they are said that the first one, the smallest brush is to conceal imperfections and highlight under the eye. The medium brush is to sculpt the cheekbones, and the medium-sized brush is, the large powder brush is to set everything in place. Okay, well, these are very soft. They're very obviously synthetic, which is good because that does mean that at least these are probably cruelty-free. They do feel dense enough. I'm really curious to see how these work. Now I'm gonna go through all these first, and then I will go back and apply them to my face. The next item is, it is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it is a blush. This is a nice rosy blush. I really do like this color. This is exactly the kind of color I go for. Let's do a swatch. Oh yes, this is my type of dream blush color. It is a brownish nude. This is my perfect blush. The next item is, Cover FX Shimmer Veil. What is a shimmer veil? A pearlescent cream perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. Lasts all day and won't crease. So is this like a liquid eyeshadow? Oh my God. Guys, this is beautiful. This is a duochrome pink with blue sparkles in it. I'm madly in love with this. This is so pretty. Maybe I'll try this as a highlight. So far, so good. Let's see what the fourth item is. It is a stick. It is by Pure Cosmetics, and it is a plumping lip exfoliator. I like the sound of that. I will always go for a lip exfoliator because my lips are dry as hell. I pretty much always have chapstick on me at all times. I actually just started looking around my table and couldn't find my chapstick and panicked for a second. Then I'm like, it's here. Is anybody else as addicted to chapstick as I am? I think it's because when I was younger, I didn't wear lipstick, so I was allowed to have cherry chapstick, and I got addicted to it. Now I can't be without it. Just ask my husband. This year in my Christmas stocking, he put, I think, 15 of these in there. Yeah. The fifth and final item is a vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. We're not gonna go the Ipsy route, you guys, right? We're not gonna get black eyeliners in every box, right? So wait a minute. We have the brush set, we have the Cover FX, we have the Ofra. Oh, it just fell on my shirt. No! This is 5 items. Am I on crack? Are there usually 6 items in here? I feel something hard in here. What? Whoa, guys, this is like an Ofra. Oh my gosh, this is almost like a Z palette. Oh my God. I am so happy right now, you guys. There was a bit of Z palette drama, let's just say. And I have a Z palette, and I was like, oh crap, I can't, I don't want to buy any more of them because I don't want to support that company, but oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do my face first. Let me put on some bronzer real quick, and then I'm gonna use the Crown brush that came with this kit to contour. So this is the brush that they suggest to use for contour. I'm going to use my Anastasia contour kit and Fawn. Let's see how this does. This is sort of about the same shape as my normal contour brush. Ooh, that packs it on kind of dense, huh? That actually does a really nice job. I'm impressed. I really like my normal contour brush, but this This is pretty awesome. This is slightly more dense than I like it. I usually like something with a little more fluff to it so it can blend out easier, but still really impressed. This might be dangerous, but I am going to go ahead and try this as a highlighter. Oh, it's very pink. No, I'm gonna use this as an inner corner highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye. Actually, I'm all over the place. First, I'm gonna do my regular highlighter. I have to admit, ever since Jaclyn Hill talked about putting on her highlighter with a beauty blender, I've been hooked. I'm gonna try the Ofra blush with this blush brush. There is quite a bit of kickback. Let's see. That's really nice. This is a very buildable color. This is right up my alley, blush-wise. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, eyeshadow is all done. I'm going to go in with this Vintage by Jessica Liebskind eye pencil in jet black. I'm going to try to apply this to my waterline. I'm very picky about waterline pencils, so let's see. So this didn't apply badly, but it is not the blackest black. I'm gonna go in with my trusty other black pencil. Okay, you guys, I'm the worst. This really just won't go with my look today, so I'm gonna try this on the back of my hand. Oh, okay, this is beautiful. Now this is a duochrome. It goes from pink to blue to purple and every shade in between. This will be beautiful with a pink or purple tone look. So even though I didn't officially wear this today, I'm still super stoked about it. Now I'm going to try the Plumping Lip Exfoliator. What's weird about this is usually lip exfoliators have granules in them, which exfoliate your lips. This looks really smooth like a lip balm, so let's see. No, it's gritty. Whew. Do you see the grit on my lips? It ain't pretty. So I feel like the only reason that this would be plumping is because you're kind of beating the shit out of your lips and that's gonna draw more blood to them. Match. Now I'm just gonna do lipstick and I'm done. Final thoughts, you guys? I am pretty impressed with this. Now, while I didn't see any spoilers online, I avoid them like the plague, I did notice that a lot of people were really pissed off with their Boxycharm this month. They were really unhappy. It just goes to show that, you know, different strokes for different folks. I'm impressed with every single thing I got here today. So the retail value of this month's box is $127. You pay $21 a month for this. So that's like getting over $100 worth of product for free in a way. I'm blown away. Now, the only thing that didn't blow me away is this vintage eye pencil that they say retails for 21 bucks. 21 bucks for kind of a scratchy eye pencil? No, I would pay like $4 for this maybe. I mean, I'm gonna use this because this made a good smoky color. It's just not the blackest black, you know? Anyway, let me know what you guys thought of this month's Boxycharm and let me know if you got different stuff. Comment down below and, you know, we'll have a chat. But anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already. Be a part of my Rockstar fam. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Those are all GlitterFallout. I love you so, so much and I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I always do that at the end. I smile and then I tilt this one shoulder and I go, bye. Why is that my thing?